What's going on, y'all? I was trying to make sure I ain't got no boogers in my nose before I start recording, but yeah. So we're pretty much done. We're all sitting here. We're still at the back. We're back at the back. Back look good. We had a couple areas we had to touch up. Sparkling. So go towards the back. We got these nice stuff. This should be a pretty quick one. House doesn't have that much growth on it. It's really nice on the other side of the house, in front of the house. So we're soaking it down. We're not downstream or anything. We're getting ready to use our foam cannons. This house taken care of pretty quick. In there, right? Okay. You guys see it. And then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna show you it once it disappears. I will do a time lapse quick. Come back at the phone storage. Keep walking home. You guys, a quick run through what we're doing. I'm trying to get these sockets right quick. But we always have issues with the sockets. We also had to jimmy rig some stuff because our foam cannons stripped, and then this one, for some reason, wouldn't suck. So what we did, we made a BS X-Jet. By putting our mix in here, we basically used one of the foam cannon tops, and we added some tube into it to make it suck up, and it worked perfectly. So yeah, ain't spent all that money on the X-Jet. So, but boom. My main issue was that part right there on the second story. That's wood. We had a little issue getting that off, but as you see, it's gone. This bottom part right here we haven't got yet, really, because I did a light blue thing with SH, but I'm gonna hit that with a pump spray. People come on, they want the entrance way to be extremely clean. So we're about to pump spray that. And then over here,